Welcome everybody to Plus English channel. This is the lesson 3 with song and game. We'll study about numbers 1 to 20 in English. Are you ready to count in English? Let's learn and have fun together. First, let's learn numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Can you say 1? 2. Can you say 2? 3. Can you say 3? 4. Now say 4. 5. Say 5. 6. Can you say 6? 7. Please say 7. 8. It's your time to say 8. 9. This is 9. 10. It is 10. Great counting, friends. You are learning numbers in English. Now let's learn numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11. Say 11 with me. 12. Say 12 with me. 13. Say 13 with me. 14. Now say 14. 15. Please say 15. 16. Now say 16. 17. Your turn to say 17. 18. Say 18 with me. 19. Please say 19. 20. Just say 20. Great job, friends. Now it's time for our counting song. Sing along with me.
1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count and feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count it once again. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count and feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count it once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Counting numbers keep clean. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting numbers, we have plenty.
Let's play a game. Can you find the missing number? 1, 2, 3, 5. What number is missing? 7, 8, 10. What number is missing? 13, 14, 15. What number is missing? 16, 17, 19, 20. What number is missing? Great job counting today. You learned numbers 1 to 20 in English. Subscribe for more fun English lessons for kids. See you in the next lesson. Watch our next lesson. Greetings in English. Subscribe for weekly fun lessons.
Plus English channel.